If you're a kind of person that loves stability and really likes to focus, learn, and not be under constant pressure or stress, then the job is the safe place that will allow you to have an income, a stable income, as stable as it can, and then to give you some more opportunity to grow. On the contrary, as a freelancer or as an entrepreneur, you have this constant stress that if you don't find your clients, or if the clients do not buy from you, or if you don't solve the right problem or at the level of quality that is required, you have no money. So you have all this extra pressure on top, right? So like from this point of view of extra pressure, do you think that this extra pressure helps you grow, or actually makes you really on your toes, always be afraid, and then you are starting to not grow as fast as you could in a job?
Yeah, I don't see entrepreneurship like always connected with like, yeah, maybe being anxious or what you're gonna do next month. Yes,
Yeah.
that's a constant pressure, of course, but comes also with a lot of good aspects for those that find themselves with kind of entrepreneurial spirit. And often those people have quite some issues in accepting authority in a job, for example. As I mentioned earlier, like why I need to do this, just explain me. And like some leaders or managers will explain you, but most will just like, come on, this is your job. Why are you asking? Like just do stuff. So no, I wouldn't say it depends a lot on how you are as a person. Some people, the pressure helps them grow and they need that.
Yeah.
Other people are just blocking. If you put them in pressure, under pressure, they freeze and they're not capable of thinking right. So again, depends who you are.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Aurelian, and this video was brought to you by Studylia.com, the place where you can learn and practice skills that are relevant today. I hope you are doing well in these challenging times we live in. If you haven't done it yet, press subscribe and the notification button to get notified when we push new content onto the platform. Let us know in the comment sections below what subjects would you like us to cover. And if you still have not signed up for our early access program on Studylia.com, you can still do it. All our access members have lots of benefits, and we keep adding some more. Don't wait for the perfect time or a later time. Do it now. Until next time, take care everybody and keep on learning.